Hi, and welcome to this introduction of Bernard. What.io Bernard is our back office AI assistant. It's built with OpenAI, ChatGPT. So he is actually a trained professional in the What.io back office. So basically the setup you see here, and this is version 1.0, and this is the way you have to deal with it right now, is that he is in the left window and you have the What.io back office in the right window. I advise you to have multiple screens so you can run Bernard on a separate computer screen, and then you run the full back office What.io. For the purpose of this demo, I will run everything in a little bit smaller screen size here. So so this is Bernard. He knows basically everything about how to set up digital product passports in our back office. He knows about standards, he knows what DPP is, he knows about different semantics. He understands how to build up products, parts, materials, categories, etc. Basically, to run him at the moment, you need to have a monthly subscription with ChatGPT. There will be changes on this as we go along with the development, but at the moment, that's what you need. And you need to have a gold or diamond service with us. Otherwise, there is no other additional cost. Then you can use Bernard. You can add him to your team. That means he will also get access through the API. That is voluntary. You don't need to do that to get him to work. But if you do that and add him, so basically we can do that now just to show you how it works. So if you go into the team setting, you can see I have added Bernard as an AI agent or an AI assistant. So he's actually an editor. That means that he works through our API and he's fully capable of assisting you in the back office system. So so there's different ways of using him. We can start, of course, and saying, hey, I am new here. What is What.io back office? Let's say I don't know, and also what is DPP? So you see, and of course he will look through his reference database. So this is not like running a regular ChatGPT, because he's trained in our system. And of course he explains now that it's a cloud-based management platform. Brands, manufacturers build DPPs. It's more or less like a CMS for physical products, etc., etc. And it goes through and explain. We can also make an introduction with voice. So let's do that. Hi Bernard, how are you doing today?
Hey there, doing great and ready to help. Let's get that first product set up step by step. Step
Great.
1, start a new product.
Okay, Bernard, before you start, can you explain to me what can you do in the back office of the What.io cloud solution?
Absolutely. In the What.io back office, I'm basically here to help you set up and manage all those digital product passports. That means you can create and organize products, parts, and materials. You can upload and link images, generate and manage QR codes or NFC tags, and basically keep everything in line with the What.io schema. Think of me as your back office guide who makes sure everything is input ready and follows the right format.
Okay, great. Can you help me organize my files, my data sets, so they have the right structure in CSV files and JSON? Can you do these kind of stuff?
Absolutely, that's right up my alley. I can definitely help you get your data organized into the correct CSV structure that What.io needs. We'll make sure every column is in the right place, use the exact headers and placeholders from the reference file, and I can also help you format JSON if needed. Just let me know what you're working with and we'll get it sorted.
Okay, what else can you do?
Well, aside from structuring those CSVs and JSON files, I can also help you out with things like normalizing product data from URLs, guiding you through creating and editing product images, and making sure all the details fit the What.io standards. Basically, I'm here to walk you through every step in the back office, from setting up categories to making sure your digital product passports are good to go.
Can you help me with product images?
Absolutely, I've got you covered. For product images, we'll start with the official image you have, no generating random ones unless you ask me to. I'll help you remove the background and get it onto a nice clean white backdrop. We'll resize it to a max of 800 pixels wide and keep it in a JPG format. Plus, I'll make sure we name the file in the right way, like using the product name, product number, and date, so everything stays consistent. Let's get those images polished up.
Okay, that's brilliant. Yeah, so I mean that's one way you can use the voice interaction. Obviously, in the regular work, when you will work as a content creator for a manufacturer, you would probably not use voice interaction. But for this sake of this demo, I was doing that. Yeah, so he is trained. He knows about everything in the back office, and he also have access, so he can create import files. So you can use the import structure very easily, what we have for gold and diamond members. Yeah, so that's the introduction. In the next chapter, we will look how we can build a product from scratch. Thank you.